Good afternoon, Year 3. Hope you're all well out there at home. Hope you're enjoying your time. You're being very productive and you're doing lots of interesting things. I've got some work for you to do today. It'd be interesting if you can have a look at it. Give me a tweet back with some of your ideas. Getting to play with some new software today, so let's see how we get on. So, the first activity for you today. Here we go. This is one of the games I showed you just before we finish. It's our 9-letter word game. It's hidden somewhere in here is a 9-letter word that you've probably heard a lot of recently. Can you find that 9-letter word by using each one of these letters once? As well as finding those 9-letter words, how many other words can you find? Write down as many words as you can find, take a picture and maybe tweet at our Twitter account to show me how many that you've found. I'd be interested to see how many were. I've not worked it out for myself yet. The next activity, number bonds to 100. Now, we did these as practice. I know we did these when we were in Key Stage 1, but this is just to give ourselves nice and sharp and ninja-like skills. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to find the number bonds that match these. So, for example, if you take this first one over here, 47, what would I have to add to 47 to get to 100? Now, some of you might be able to do that in your head, and some of you might need to use a number line. Feel free to grab a piece of paper to write down the answers and do any workings out. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do this. Now, while I give you 1 minute, just be careful. Please ignore any dinosaurs that you see. Okay? So, you ready? 1 minute starting now. You've just had 30 seconds. Remember, ignore any dinosaurs. Not that there are any dinosaurs, but ignore any dinosaurs. Last 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Stop there. Put down your pencils. Right. Here are the answers. Okay. Feel free to pause me if you'd like to check your answers now, but I'm going to whip through really quickly. Send me a tweet. Let me know how many you got right. Maybe have another go, see if you can get more right next time. Okay. The next thing I'd like you to think about. Let's do some writing. Here's a character description. Now, I can't quite work out, is this a really big monster with a really small pencil, or is it a really small dinosaur monster, whatever it is, with a normal sized pencil? Who knows? Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write me a character description of this little monster. Don't forget to use your expanded noun phrases, your conjunctions, your sentence openers, all those skills we've learned over the year. Make sure you're using all of those to write the character description. Again, once you've written your character description, take a photograph of it, send it a tweet at me so I can see how you're getting on. Don't need maybe more than a paragraph. I'm looking for the best vocabulary here, not a boring one. If I see the word green, I'm going to come there and I'm going to get you. Okay, and the last thing I'd like you to think about is UK rivers. Okay, so what I'd like you to think about here is do some work all about UK rivers. You could research all the different rivers. You could do some science to work out how deep or how long they are. Obviously, you can't go and visit them at the moment, but you could do lots of work on the internet about them. You could draw pictures of them. You could paint a picture of them. You could dress up as a river. I don't know. You could try all manner of different things, but I'd like you to try something to do with UK rivers. Again, anything you do, tweet it at the account and we'll see how you get on. Okay, well, thank you for listening to my first video. Let me know how you got on with all this learning, and I'll try and drop another one in a couple of days' time. Okay, right, stay safe, Year 3, wash your hands, and make sure I see you all very soon. Okay, bye-bye.